When it comes to enhancing the curb appeal of your Lafayette home, few home improvement projects make as significant an impact as new window installation. Whether you're planning to sell or simply want to enjoy the beauty of your home more, upgrading your windows can drastically improve the exterior aesthetic while also increasing energy efficiency. Here's how window installation can give your Lafayette home a fresh look and help it stand out in the neighborhood. Boosting the exterior aesthetic. One of the most obvious benefits of new window installation is the immediate transformation it brings to your home's appearance. Outdated, worn out, or poorly designed windows can detract from your home's charm, making even a well-maintained house look tired. On the other hand, modern windows are available in a wide variety of styles, colors, and finishes, allowing you to choose an option that complements your home's architectural style and exterior decor. Whether your home features traditional brick, modern siding, or something in between, there's a window style to match. For example, casement windows or sleek, minimalistic picture windows can enhance the clean lines of contemporary designs. For classic homes, double-hung or bay windows can offer both elegance and charm. This simple upgrade allows you to express your personal style while improving the overall look of your property. Improving natural light and views. Windows do more than just provide light, they are portals to the outside world. Installing larger or more strategically placed windows can open up your space to the natural beauty of Lafayette, from its stunning landscapes to the vibrant surroundings. New windows can make your home feel brighter and airier, which is particularly important in Louisiana, where the warm weather often calls for plenty of natural ventilation. By choosing windows that allow for larger openings or panoramic views, you can dramatically improve the connection between your home's interior and the outdoors. This creates a pleasant living space, and from the street, it gives your home an inviting, open feel that boosts curb appeal. Increasing energy efficiency. In addition to their aesthetic appeal, modern windows are designed with energy efficiency in mind. Homes in Lafayette experience hot summers and mild winters, which can make managing your home's temperature a challenge. Older windows can be drafty and inefficient, allowing heat to escape in winter and cool air to leak out in summer, making your HVAC system work harder. New windows come equipped with features like double or triple glazing, low emissivity, low E coatings, and gas fills that improve insulation. This means that your home can stay cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter without putting extra strain on your energy bills. As a result, window installation not only enhances your home's curb appeal but also makes it more comfortable and energy efficient, adding value to your property in the long run. Enhancing home security. Windows are an integral part of a home's security system. With modern materials and locking mechanisms, new windows can help to protect your home against break-ins. They can also be equipped with shatter-resistant glass, which adds an extra layer of safety, especially in areas with higher traffic or a history of criminal activity. This added security, combined with an improved appearance, makes your home both safer and more appealing to prospective buyers, should you decide to sell in the future. Knowing that their home is secure can give buyers peace of mind, and the security features of the windows add to the overall attractiveness of your property. Increasing the value of your home. Aesthetic improvements and energy efficiency upgrades aren't just great for your home's curb appeal. They can also increase the resale value of your Lafayette property. Potential buyers are often drawn to homes that have recently been updated, especially when it comes to big-ticket items like windows. A home with new windows signals that the homeowner has kept up with maintenance and invested in high-quality, long-lasting materials. Installing windows with great curb appeal can make your home stand out in the competitive Lafayette real estate market. Whether you're selling soon or just planning for the future, new windows can make your home more desirable, translating into a higher sale price. Conclusion. Window installation is an excellent way to improve your Lafayette home's curb appeal. From enhancing the exterior design to increasing energy efficiency and security, new windows provide numerous benefits that go beyond just looks. Whether you're looking to sell your home or simply enjoy a more beautiful and comfortable living space, upgrading your windows is a smart investment that pays off in both the short and long term. With so many styles and features available, finding the perfect windows for your home has never been easier. Consider investing in new window installation and watch your Lafayette home's curb appeal soar.